Prominent Nigerian televangelist and founder of Christ Embassy, Pastor Chris Oyakhilome, has ignited controversy following comments he made about the death of Pope Francis. After news of the Pope's passing spread online, prompting a flood of condolences on social media, Oyakhilome stirred debate with claims made during a recent sermon. While official details surrounding Pope Francis' death remain undisclosed, Oyakhilome alleged that the COVID-19 vaccine was responsible. He made it known to his congregation that the COVID-19 vaccine was responsible for the Pope's death. He further claimed that the circumstances behind the Pope's death would likely never be revealed, insisting that the stroke reported as the cause stemmed directly from COVID-19 vaccination complications.
Yes, Pastor.
So if someone has a blood clot, it can cause a stroke. In 2020, they won't say this anywhere, or I can say it. The Pope, and I pointed it out during the Your Love World specials, the Pope, the late Pope, made a statement which I brought out, and I said that that was not good. While he was trying to encourage the world to take the vaccines, he stated that if Jesus were here, he would have taken the vaccine. And I found that to be very insulting. And I talked about it. At that time, he was still with the globalists. He believed them and encouraged the world to take the vaccine. And he too took the vaccine. Okay? But it's not been well for a long time. And I'm stating that he was killed by the vaccine. Yesterday or day before, they said he had a stroke. Where did the stroke come from? Blood clots. And that's one of the most common causes of death from the vaccine. It's not the only one. That many of them who became ill, they will not tell you the truth. That's what I'm telling you. No one's going to tell you that he died as a result of the vaccine.
These remarks have sparked widespread reaction online, with many criticizing the pastor for spreading unverified claims. Others, however, expressed support for his stance, reflecting ongoing global divisions around COVID-19 vaccines and their efforts. While this has generated mixed reactions online, do well to drop your opinion in the comment box section below, and please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more news updates and exclusive videos.